Have you been annoyed by the DV Library DLL pop-up ruining your productivity? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist. Let's analyze Sony Multimedia digital video stack dependency and restore that missing file. To start our troubleshooting for DV Library, you can follow my manual steps or use a utility for a clean environment review. This is the DV Library, a legacy digital video DV processing library. It provides unmanaged routines for decoding and encoding raw DV streams. IEEE 61833. It manages the orchestration of video frame manifests for IEEE 132 FireWire capture data links. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This error usually means a required graphics runtime file such as dv library DLL is missing. Use the official Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime installer to restore legacy DirectX libraries, followed by a GPU driver update if needed. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered DV library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. Since that library file is still unresponsive after the restart, we'll run a repair on the coding environment. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Ensure your personal information remains secure by avoiding third-party mirrors for DV Library DLL that lack the verification found in official system repair protocols. To ensure your environment stays properly configured, a professional diagnostic can help verify that your library references remain intact. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on DV Library. If DV Library is back online, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, verified technical solutions.